Elephants. The elephant is considered one of the largest land animals in the world. They primarily inhabit Asia and Africa. Elephants have large bodies and long ears, and they possess an exceptional memory. Similar to that of intelligent humans, their trunks are used for gathering food, drinking water, and communicating with other elephants. Elephants are herbivorous animals. They mostly feed on trees, leaves, and fruits. Their average lifespan ranges between 60 to 70 years. However, human activities have posed significant challenges to elephants. Deforestation, illegal poaching, and environmental destruction are major threats they face. Therefore, protecting elephants is our responsibility.